All right, we're continuing with our 2.2 notes. We're on B, speed of sound waves. So the speed of a sound depends on the physical properties of the medium that it's traveling through. So there's things like elasticity, density, and temperature. These things affect how fast the sound travels. So at room temperature, sound travels through air at 342 meters per second. So this question here, what unit measures the speed of sound? Well, meters per second. So if we look at this, we can see that solids here travel the fastest. Sound travels best in solids. And we're going to look at some slides to explain to us why solids travel better than liquids and gases. Make sure you're writing down what's in the red boxes. All right, so elasticity. Elasticity is the ability of a material to bounce back after being disturbed. So think about a rubber band. If you stretched it and let go, it would return back to its original shape, right? And a rubber band is a solid. So solid materials are usually more elastic than liquids or gases. Particles of a solid do not move very far, so they bounce back and forth as quickly as the vibration travels through the object, which allows waves to move faster. So solids are more elastic, so it allows the sound to travel better through a solid. Make sure you're writing down what's in those red boxes. Now, density. So how much matter there is in a given amount of space, that's what density is. The speed of sound depends on how close together the particles of the substance are in the medium. So solids are the most dense compared to liquids and gas. So their particles are closer together, so they're going to more easily bounce back and forth together, which allows sound to travel faster in a solid. And lastly, we have temperature. So remember, temperature is the degree or intensity of heat present in a substance or an object. So in a given media, solid, liquid, or gas, sound travels more slowly at lower temperatures. So higher the temperature, the faster it's going to go. So the more elastic something is, the faster the sound will travel. The more dense something is, the faster the sound will travel. And the higher the temperature, the faster it will travel.